Good morning, all. I'm probably being a little bit over dramatic. It is cold. It's not super cold, but for me, it's cold. It's what? It is currently 44 degrees out, which is not my favorite weather at all. But today is an exciting and very sad day. Today, one of the baby nuggets goes to their new home. So today, Pepper is going to her new family. She was one of Sadie's kids, so we're actually keeping her sister Sage. But Pepper is going to her new home, so we have got to get everything ready to go for her. So first thing I've got to do is some paperwork and get her registration stuff done. So let's get all that done. Alright, so whenever a baby goat leaves our farm, they leave with quite a few things actually. First off is their registration and their bill of sale, which will go into a folder. And then, sheet off. I print off our sales agreement as well as some information, especially if they are new to bottle babies. This goes over what to feed them, how to feed them, when to feed them, coccidia preventatives, different medications for that. We also have things like, open it, like our medication charts, our feeding charts, just a bunch of different things, copper deficiency, and all this stuff is actually on our website if you wanted to check all of it out. They're all different blog posts. This is kind of just compiling everything into one little informational packet. And then I've got to transfer over all of their medical stuff, like their CD&T, when they were disbudded, if they had a coccidia medication, whether it was preventative or if it was for treatment. So I've got to fill this out for them so they can have this. Alright, so this is filled out. It just has when they got their CD&T, when they were disbudded, if they had, of course, their coccidia preventative. And this goes in their little take-home folder as well. So now let's get their bags ready. Alright, so I have, as I drop one, I have little gift bags that I use, and they will, everyone that buys a doling or registered, I'm using my old tripod, so it's a little bit heavier, so sorry if things are like wonky today. But I have a gift bag, and they will actually get a soap, and then we gotta go out to the milk parlor to get there. I guess before we head to the milk parlor, I'll go ahead and do a detour in here because they also will get some milk to transition. Now they're driving a few hours to pick up Pepper, so I'm actually freezing their milk right now so they don't have to worry about it on the trip home. That way, whether they're feeding just store-bought milk or goat milk, they will have what we're feeding as a transition to make it as easy as possible for their kid. So now we're going to head out to the milk parlor. Right, so in the milk, oh my goodness, gravy. Alright, so in the milk parlor, because Pepper is still on the bottle, as I drop stuff, and I need to organize in here. Because she's still on the bottle, she will get a brand new bottle to take with her. That way she can start with a nice fresh clean. I had to change my hat because I didn't like, these hats have a high ponytail hole, which I like. My other hat doesn't have that and I didn't like it. But we had to go and get, as Jessie affectionately calls it, her cereal. They are starting to eat feed and nibble on grass and stuff, so she will go home with some of our feed. That way they again have something easily transition to whatever they feed at their farm. On the bottom, and they'll have their to-go bag with their folder. So I have her goodie bag ready to go. I've got all of her files ready to go. The last thing that we have to do before we can send her to her new home is we're just going to check her hooves, make sure they don't need to be trimmed. If they do, we'll trim them up, and we got to get her tattooed. So in order to tattoo, we actually use one of these guys. It has little numbers and letters that will stamp into their ears. Eventually, I'd like to do the RFID in their tail web, but until the ADGA really gets their act together, I'm not going to even attempt to do any of that because I feel like it would just be one big disaster with the way that they're handling paperwork right now. So we're going to just stick to the good old-fashioned tattoos for this year. Maybe next kidding season we'll be able to upgrade, but for now we're going to get some tattooing done. So let's go get Pepper. Are you ladies just all being lazy today? Are y'all snoozing? So lazy. Very sluggish. Oh. Hi, Freya. No, I didn't need bites. Alright, so let's grab Pepper. Come here, Pep. Come here. Nope, 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 not my fingers. Nope, 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 nope. Okay. We have secured the baby goat. Hey, I know. Hi. I forgot to flip my screen up, so I have no idea if we are even in. Hi. In frame. So let's get her inside so we can get this done. So Jessie has my good tripod. So we're just kind of dealing with what we have right now. So in order to get this girl tattooed, we're going to need a few things. We're going to need tattoo paste. We use green. Obviously, we will need our tattoo gun. We will need a toothbrush. I have some rubbing alcohol in here, and I have actually my next tattoo of our year letter and our sequence number. Hey, let's not eat those. And we have some cotton balls. And I'm going to hope that she still fits in the kitting box because I'm doing this on my own. Alright, so Pepper is thoroughly mad at me now. So we've done our job. I know, sweet girl. I know. Alright, so I'm going to get my gloves on. Okay. And the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to clean her ears really, really well with rubbing alcohol. I know. It doesn't hurt. You just don't like it. I know. It's okay. I know. Okay. Ears are clean. So her ears are black, so it's really hard to tell, but inside these ears they have some veins, so you want to be really careful where you're stamping your tattoo. You don't want to hit those veins. So I'm going to go right in here. Now we are doing the tattoo, the herd tattoo first. So we're going to do the herd tattoo first. So that'll go in her right ear. You don't want to put these in the wrong ears. So when you're standing behind the goat, it's your same right, your same left when you're standing behind them. I know you don't like your ears being messed with. So we are going to put our herd tattoo in her right ear. And fun fact, this stuff is a mess. So I have some tattoo paste on this toothbrush, and I'm going to just paint the inside of her ear with it. And then I'm going to take my clamp. I'm going to carefully stamp. I know you don't like it. And we're going to make sure it's in there. Sterilized hand. Hey. To make sure we get everything in there. And then hold please while I swap out for the other side. Okay, so again, we're going to take our paste A toothbrush. I know, you're not happy. So we're going to get this side. And then I'm going to check, make sure I put my stamp in correctly. Yeah. All right. I know, sweetie. I know, you're not liking being in this box. But I need you to turn. How are you upside down? Okay. All right. No, let's not put the stamp on backwards. Oh my goodness. You're killing me, Smalls. You're gonna make me open this because how did you? Okay. We're just gonna take her. We're gonna take her and we're just gonna do it like this because she's not liking the kitty box. I know. You're gonna get green all over your head if you don't stop. There we go. I know. You do not like that. Do not like that one bit. Okay. I know. And we are almost done with you. We are almost done. We just need to give you your coccidia so you can get ready to go. Hi. Okay. Don't jump out of there. We got our messy green monster here. Hi. I know, you're a messy green monster. We're going to give you one last dose of Toltrazol. Come on. I know. Here. Oh my goodness. You're just going to be a pain today, huh? No. There you go. There you go. That way, you have a long drive ahead of you, sweetie. So you want to... Oh, now you want it. Okay. Because her new owners are coming from about 3.5 hours away. So we're going to give her some Toltrazol just because that's a long drive for a little nugget. Huh? Oh, I know. Okay. This goes up higher. Come here, you. Come here. All right. Last things last. Oh, we got to get your little hoofies trimmed. Huh. It shouldn't be that bad. Oh, so much easier when you guys can fit into a headstand. Okay. I know. I know. I'm gonna have to baby doll you, aren't I? I know. I know. We almost have different hoops. We just got some little nuggets that need to be trimmed. Okay. Let's get the last one. Hi. I know. You don't get. I know. You're like, lady, what are... All right, I'm gonna have to hog tie you if you don't stop. Okay. I know, this one, the last one. How did your little hoofies grow so quickly? Huh? She had little hoofy trims. And she's not happy about it.
Oh, baby. Oh. Are you okay?
Yeah, come in and be the savior while I've had to do all the mean stuff.
So mean to her. I know, baby.
You should get some cereal. Right. So I have goodie bag, I can talk, paperwork, nugget, and then her milk is in the freezer. So her owner will be here in a few hours to pick her up. Huh.
What are you doing, girl? What's up, Nugget? What are you nugs doing?
You got cat duties.
Cats are moving.
You better. Hope you're all better now, huh? So you never even happened.
Why are you flinching, girl?
Alright, y'all. It is a little bit chilly. It is towards the end of the day, but Pepper has officially gone to her new home, which is sad, but I know she's going to a really awesome family. They are actually working on starting a grade A goat milk dairy, which is pretty awesome, over in western Arkansas, which is crazy. So she will eventually be one of their milk goats that you may eventually buy ice cream or cheese from, which is pretty awesome if you ask me. But because it is the end of the day, it is getting time for chores and to milk the cows. So I am going to end this video because we got a lot of chores to do before it gets dark, because it started to get dark before 5 o'clock now here. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.